Hey, what's up?
Hello.
It's Clayton J.
And Allie.
And today we're actually at Allison's parents' house today. Allison's dad invited us here. We're gonna have brats, which are our favorite. What kind did you say we wanted?
Apple maple or pineapple?
Those are my favorite ones. So we're gonna have brats. Our dogs are here. I really don't think our dogs like the other Pomeranians anymore. Like they used to be so close. Now they hate each other.
They do. They seriously don't like each other.
I'll go outside and show you guys the doggies.
I already did. I told you that's what I was doing.
Let's go look in the room.
Really? It's called Winter's Breath. Is that the right? Isn't it about exactly the same color as Winter's Breath?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I got one more coat to put on, and I just ain't got a chance to see if you're gonna do all the fucking time.
Did you read?
I'm not gonna do the fucking ceiling. I ain't done the trim yet either.
You're not doing this, are you?
No, looks bad. I figured out
Why?
that.
Thirsty as heck.
Polo. We got Polo out here. God, it's cold out here today. We got Scrappy in there. Hey, Scrappy. We got all the babies. Look. Willow, what's up, girl? She's like, no, I hate everyone. Do you remember me? Oh, E.G., get out of there. Come here. Come here. Hey, E.G. Hey, E.G. Arr, arr. That's E.G. That's Willow. They don't like being outside. Oh, Molly. We got Charlie. That's the mom. That's the dad. That's Polo. Look at everyone. God, it's cold out today. Of course, we come here the coldest day. Look right there. Yeah, they got. This is. Oh, look. Your friend, Ma. Your friend. This is Polo's ball I found. Oh my God, Molly, you're getting crazy. Oh, hey, buddy. Look at Molly. I don't know if she's happy or not happy. Oh my God, that was so close to killing Polo. This ball I found from Polo, for Polo. I literally found it on the side of the road like 3 years ago. And this is his favorite ball. We're probably going to take it with us. We just got to get everything situated at the apartments. But maybe this summer we'll bring it. It's his favorite ball. Literally found in the dumpster. Here, Polo, come here. Oh, Molly. What up, Molly? Polo, come here. Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. Good boy. All right, let's go. Let's go. God, they're just so happy. Alright, I'm going inside. It's like 30 degrees out today. Looks nice, but it's pretty freezing out. And I'm wearing shorts. Alright, going in. Oh! Got tripped there, little boy. Alright, you guys want to go inside? We got Scrappy here. 16 years old? 16. Oh my gosh. Polo's arch enemy right here. Hey, Scrappy.
Here, take a picture of Scrappy and I really quick.
He moves way too much.
I love you. He's my
He's
little
16 years old. Oh my gosh.
He's my old man.
Yeah, he's an old man. How old is she? 2 years old?
2.
She's 2, 16. We got Allison's dad, Matt, out there cooking.
You, though? I don't want her.
Grilled in, that's what I'm freaking talking about. Oh, we got everyone hanging out. We got everyone hanging out outside. Do you see them all? They're all hanging out. That's what I'm talking. Oh, Polo's peeing everywhere. Oh.
Oh, Mama pooping. Come on, Weenie. Hurry up. Food's done. Come eat. What's up?
Food's done? Yay.
Holla at the dollar.
Holla at the dollar. The old man right there.
Are you positive?
Thank you.
Still hot?
Alright guys, we're eating. Allison was just saying, we come over for supper. Allison's dad's in his little man house. He has like his room that's like his man cave or whatever. He's sitting right over there. We're all right here. Her mom's still at work. This is called family eating. Everyone getting different rooms. Also, you have a big ass hair right there. But yeah, food's good.
Why is your brat broken like a million pieces?
Because he broke it because he didn't know what kind. Everyone's touched my brat. Literally everyone. I think it tastes like beer. I think I got the beer one, not the pineapple.
Mine's for
Which one do you
pineapple,
got? You got pineapple? Let me taste one.
but it doesn't taste like it. But it is.
Yeah, ours tastes the same.
What about pineapple?
I think mine tastes better. Yeah, this is good. Do you guys do that where you have your spot? Comment down below. We don't, we're never really here anymore. We haven't came here for like a month now. Like this is the first time we come here to eat because he asked us if we want to come to eat. So we came here, sitting in different rooms eating. But she was sitting here. This is my spot. That's Allison's spot. That's Cassie's spot. And that's Allison's mom's spot, Dawn. Okay? And then that's Austin's spot right there. Oh. Okay?
Okay.
I'm that kind of person that I have to have a spot. Like, even at our apartment, I have my spot on the couch that she likes to steal.
Well, I don't. Yeah.
Oh, like bed?
I hate spots.
I have my spot on the bed. You don't? Actually, I did see a video from Cover and Alex, from the Hype House. They were talking about that. They have their spots on the bed and like blah, blah, blah. Cover wants to switch, but it's his spot. No, he wants to switch, but Cover likes her spot. Something like that. Something like that. I watched it on TikTok. But I know, like, comment down below. Do you have your own spots? She doesn't really care, but like me, I do. Like, I'm that kind of person. I like having my own spot, Yeah.
The thing is, before we got together, this was my spot.
Not anymore.
This is my spot. This was Cassie's. That was Austin's. That was my mom's. That was my dad's. And you stole my spot. So if you want to go there.
Okay, and then you stole Cassie's spot then.
I tried to sit here. And you pushed me here.
Yeah, because that's Cassie's, but you can't be sitting in her spot. Yeah, Allison was sitting here first, and I kicked her out. And then she sat there. I'm like, no, that's Cassie's spot. Just because she's not here doesn't mean you can't sit there. It's safe for Cassie. And then she's sitting back over here. Tell me if I'm weird or not. All right, we're gonna eat now. Molly.
Other than that, I'm okay if we don't get diapers because I don't
Hey,
know
guys.
about diapers.
Hey, baby. Hey.
Be able to go anyways,
Sit.
yeah,
Sit.
but-
Sit. Nope, not gonna listen to me today. All right.
Yeah, but so this is what it is.
Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness.
And if you want, I'll just take pictures and you can just take them that way. I don't care. Whatever. Diaper raffle proof. Diaper really size.
Go get it.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. And then books for babies. Either works. I mean, I don't know it all with them, but I don't care. Well, in case you
Ichi.
forget this.
Go get it, Molly.
She said it ends at 4. Oh. She just says it starts. Yeah, no, she said it ends at 4 and we get off at 4. And I'm usually really tired after work this morning.
All right, just got back home. We got back home. Why are you two sniffing around?
They're gonna go poop.
Well, we had popcorn yesterday. We kind of made the place kind of a mess. That's why. Yeah, sorry, I just meant Allison, not me. Got a board. Look. So this is today, right here. Ooh, what? This is Molly's surgery right there. So that's kind of scary. Cleaning up a bit. I think I'm gonna make more food. I'm starving still. I don't know why. I didn't want to eat too much food there because, I don't know. I just didn't, but we got all this, though, so I might snack, actually. We'll just see. Snacking sounds fun.
Snackings.
Man, let's look at all that.
It's all clean laundry.
Look at all that, guys. That's why I haven't made a room tour. This is all clean laundry, guys. It's all clean laundry. We just threw it right here, though. And then we're going to hang it up and shit. But I swear, that's all clean. Molly and Polo just poop on it right now. How funny would that be? Alright, I think this vlog's over.
You're an asshole.
What?
I was not talking to you.
Thank you guys for coming here and watching my video. I really appreciate it. And, yeah, it's the end. That's kind of what we did today. We did that.
What did we do today?
Pretty much nothing.
Popcorn? Sit. There you go, popcorn.
Giving them stale popcorn.
Popcorn, sit. Popcorn. He stepped on her popcorn and it crushed everywhere. Look, it's everywhere.
Yeah, I see it. Alright, it's the end of the video, though. We'll see you next video. Bye.